weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, all the severe weather is of course well away from us. What we're getting now, Canadian high pressure taking over, giving us some very nice, unseasonably cool weather here at the end of July. And on radar, things are very quiet this morning with a clear sky, calm winds or near calm winds. We've got a very refreshing atmosphere, 57 degrees, very close to the record of 52 actually, the record for today, 53, the record low for tomorrow. And tomorrow morning, we may actually get close to setting that record here in southern Kentucky with the clear sky. High pressure will be directly over us in southern Kentucky, and it's a possibility we could hit that number or get close to it in much of southern Kentucky. As we check the numbers here this morning from the Mesonet sites, 53 in Madisonville, in Greenville, 55 in Russellville, in Munfordville. There's a 52 up in Hodgenville. E-Town checking in with 51, 55 in Edmonton, 56 Burkesville, 55 in Scottsville. Then you throw in the dew points, which are even cooler than the air temperature. And again, this is another way we measure the amount of moisture that's in the air. Usually this map has been green, especially on those days when you feel the very thick atmosphere, the high humidity, the stickiness, the mugginess in the air. But when it looks kind of tan or brown like this means the dew points are low. The air is very stable. And look at this. We've got a 48-degree dew point in Hardinsburg, a 49 in Litchfield and Munfordville, a 49 up there in Calhoun. It just changed. As you saw, this is real-time data coming in from the Kentucky Mesonet Network. And even though those numbers are coming up a little bit, this is very nice for July. You just don't get 40-degree dew points at the end of July here in southern Kentucky. And as I mentioned, the winds are very light out of the northwest at, say, 5 to almost 10 miles per hour. So it's a nice little comfortable breeze that we have out there this morning, along with the vibrant sunshine that's now coming over the horizon. Lots of clear skies over southern Kentucky and a temperature at 55 degrees. A wind from the northwest at 5, 83% humidity, barometer rising. Edmonton, you're starting the day clear over in Metcalfe County. Your temperature at 54 degrees to start your day. Custer Cam up in Breckinridge County, a clear sky from John Bettner's weather cam. He's one of our weather watchers. 53 is his temperature there. 54 at the Mammoth Cave National Park, and very little in the way of patchy fog there this morning in the Green River Basin. And Russellville is starting the day in Logan County at 57 degrees at this hour. As we take a look at temperatures or the air quality, UV index running high today. There will be a lot of sunshine. Molds are the only thing in the moderate category. Pollen and ozone both low, and that's mainly a little bit of grass and some ragweed. The hometown forecast brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery centers on Green River Lake. That would include the Campbellsville area in Taylor County. You'll see a high today of 76 with lots of sunshine. Columbia and Adair County, 74. Your predicted high temperature today. And Greensburg and Greene County, 75. Your temperature today. The Powerball jackpot, by the way, for Wednesday night's drawing, estimated to be at $60 million. The next Mega Millions drawing, estimated to be at $77 million. 58 at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour. Look at the cool mid and even low 50s to the north. 60s, a few 70s further south. But everybody, even down into the Tennessee Valley, benefactors of that cooler, drier air. We're 7 degrees cooler now than at this hour yesterday. Satellite showing some upper clouds moving through, and we may see a few clouds mixing with the sun today, but the radar is all clear thanks to high pressure, which is in control of our weather. Canadian high with that flow out of the north, making things feel very nice around here. Tonight could be one of the cooler nights out of the next 7. After that, we're going to see a bit of a warm-up as we go through the next few days, and rain-free weather until we get into the weekend. 77 today, mostly sunny and pleasant. 56, cool and comfortable tonight. Tomorrow, 84, 86 on Thursday. And there's your gradual warming trend. Not hot, just warm as we get into the mid to upper 80s for the duration of the weekend into the beginning of next week. Some rain chances possible Friday afternoon and evening into Saturday morning, maybe even Saturday afternoon. But other than that, we are looking at a pretty decent forecast to close out July and to start August, which is, by the way, Friday.